Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the cool shift knobs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 cool shift knobs. Starting at number 5, we have the Movoda skull shift knob. Mavota's KSSK1801 bears a skull design that is detailed with cracks at the top and teeth, which gives it a very realistic look. The entire knob is coated in a high-quality finish, which enhances the strength and durability factors for long-lasting performance. Thread adapters are included for fitting into most shaft sticks, and the unit can be used in either automatic or manual transmissions with 4, 5 or 6 speeds. You also get several color options to choose from so as to match your car's interior. Moving on at number 4, we have the ZHOL 00125 colorful shift knob. Fantastic or colorful are some of the words used to describe this shift knob, and it sure does fit the description. The unit is made of aluminum, and with this finish, it goes a long way in upgrading your interior's appearance. Other than that, this knob is designed for manual transmission systems and has a 5-speed marking at the top, while 3 rubber sleeves give it universal fitting on M8x1.25mm, M10x1.25, M10x1.50 and M12x1.25 shaft sizes. More features include a 1.6-inch diameter and a Type R style design that is easy to grip. At number 3, we have the K-Project KSS-NR Best Weighted Shift Knob. This shift knob stands out as the best weighted unit because of a number of reasons. For starters, it is the weightiest of them all, coming in at 510 grams or 18 ounces, and this helps smoothen gear changes. The unit is also universally compatible because it comes with 3 adapters that make it fit M8x1.25mm, M10x1.25, M10x1.50 and M12x1.25 shaft sizes, while a samurai sword design gives it a very unique appearance. Other features include a solid steel construction with a polyester fabric weave and nickel-plated brass finish, and availability in multiple colors to match different car interiors. At number 2, we have the Dewhel shift knob, universally compatible shift knob. Dewhel's shift knob is fitted with an M12x1.25 thread adapter and comes with 3 additional adapters for fitting into M8x1.25, M10x1.25 and M10x1.5 shaft sizes, which makes it a universal fit. This means you can fit the knob in most Acura, Honda, Lexus, Mazda, Toyota, Scion, Nissan, etc. vehicles that have either 5 or 6-speed transmission systems, because the unit is not marked at the top. Other features include a rounded design with a 1.96-inch diameter and multiple color options to choose from so as to match your car's interior. And finally, at number 1, we have the Skunk 2 Racing 6-speed shift knob. This unit is one of the best shift knobs for racing because it has a 6-speed marking at the top, making it suitable for high-performance 6-speed manual transmission systems. On top of this, the piece is made from stainless steel and has a weighted design, 440 grams or 15.5 ounces, that allows for smoother and faster gear changes as you race your car. This stainless steel construction is covered in a PVD titanium coating for durability purposes because this material resists scratching, wear and tear. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.